Hello, everyone! Have you ever used an AI tool to generate slides, exported them, and then realized there's a watermark you just can't remove? If you're using NotebookLM, this is something you'll likely run into. The slides look great, but once you export them, that watermark becomes a real issue. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the NotebookLM watermark from exported slides, step by step. NotebookLM is Google's AI-powered research assistant, and it's already extremely powerful. You can upload PDFs, notes, or documents, or simply paste a link, or select a text file directly from your Google Drive. NotebookLM reads everything for you and turns messy information into clean, structured content. People use it to summarize articles, organize research, and quickly turn source material into slide decks, especially when they need presentations fast. But here's the important limitation you need to know. When you export slides from NotebookLM as PDF or PPTX, the content is exported as images, not editable text. So if you open the exported file and try to remove the watermark right away, it simply won't work. To actually remove the watermark, the file needs to be converted from an image-based PDF into editable text. That's exactly what OCR does. OCR analyzes the slide images and reconstructs them as real text and objects instead of flat images. Once that happens, the watermark is no longer locked in place. This is where PDNob PDF Editor comes in. You open your NotebookLM exported PDF in PDNob. Run the OCR feature to convert the slides into editable text. Once OCR is finished, the watermark becomes selectable, and you can simply delete it like normal text. At the same time, you can also fix headings, adjust slide text, and clean up any layout issues from the export. NotebookLM is excellent at creating slides from content. PDNob gives you full control after export. Together, they cover the entire workflow. No rebuilding slides, no screenshots, no awkward workarounds. All right, that wraps up this video. If you want more practical workflows like this, real AI tools, real limitations, and real solutions, hit subscribe and drop a comment with what you're working on. Thanks for watching.